The special model BRABUS G800 Edition 2024 attracts not only with its attractive appearance and exclusive appearance, but also with high performance in its purest form. After the installation of 2 high-performance turbochargers and other modifications, the 4-liter, twin-turbo 8-cylinder BRABUS 800 engine produces a peak output of 588 kilowatts, 800 horsepower at 6,600 revolutions per minute. Simultaneously, peak torque increases by 150 Nm. An impressive 1,000 Nm is produced at a low 3,300 revolutions per minute. Exclusively uses high-tech lubricants from technology partner Motul for the entire powertrain. The BRABUS stainless sport exhaust system with 2 black chrome side pipes on each vehicle side offer an electronically controlled sound management with a choice between a discreet, coming home, mode or a markedly sporty V8 sound.